Hello everyone, chapter 3 Mineral and Power Resources. So today we do the map activity. As you can see on your screen, word distribution of iron ore, copper ore and bauxite. So everyone please open your page number 19 and mark all these sites, coal site, copper site, bauxite on map. So let's start locating these site on world map. First, let's locate coal site. Everyone, please first label all oceans. So here is write down Pacific Ocean. Here you write down Atlantic Ocean. North. Here you write down South Atlantic Ocean. Everyone please mark. Locate on your map activity. Everyone do page number 19. Atlantic Ocean. Now here write down Indian Ocean. Write down here Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean. North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and here you write down South Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now the next one is tropic and equator on map given below. Now everyone mark Tropic of Cancer and equator. Here mark equator. Equator. Write down here Tropic of Cancer. And here Write down. Tropic of Capricorn. Now the next one is also label the distribution of mineral in the index box. So here, I hope it is marked by all, located by all. So let's do the next. Now everyone mark coal site. First, let's mark coal site in India. Everyone mark coal site. First you write down over here coal, the symbol, name of symbol. Coal. Then next one is copper. And next one is bauxite. Bauxite. So these three symbol, it means these are the location, India location, and in India, bauxite is there. Let's do the next one. So first, mark the symbol over here. So this mark for coal. Bauxite. Sorry, copper for copper. And this is for bauxite. Let's do once again. This mark for coal. This for copper. And this is for bauxite. Write down everyone. So let's start. First we mark the copper iron side. Iron ore side of India. So where is here? Everyone mark iron ore side in India. And the one is bauxite side. Everyone mark in India. Then next is Australia. So here is a bauxite ore in Australia, and iron ore site in Australia. Then next one, mark in China. In China, iron ore site, mark here. And bauxite site. First, let's start only iron ore site. Now the USA, iron ore site of USA. So here near the Great Lakes, okay. Now mark the copper site. Copper site, USA. Mark copper site in USA. China. USA bauxite site. China bauxite site. Everyone mark on your map. I hope it is understood by all. All bauxite and copper mines in India, China, Russia, Australia, and USA. Okay, Russia is left. Whole side of Russia. Next one is a copper site. Now the next one is bauxite. Okay, everyone, please mark on your map. Move on next page. Let marks energy resources. First of all, everyone write down here the coal field, fill the color in coal field and oil field. Now next will the oil field. So both will fill the color on oil field and cold field. So now color the cold field with a red color and oil field blue or green color in map given below. So coal field with the red color. So let's change the color. Now and we say blue color, oil field. Okay, let's mark. Everyone, do in your sheet. Coal field and oil field.